Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to know if your PC can run Windows 11. Okay, you can bypass secure boot, TPM 2.0 and unsupported PC system requirements. In the top right corner I have given you the link. Just go there and see how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. But there are two more things which can be bypassed. Okay, to know, so let's get started. First open an internet browser. Now in search bar type flyby 11 and hit enter. Now open the second available link. Scroll down and you can see flyby11.zip. Click on this file to download it and you can see it is successfully downloaded. Now open the folder and extract to flyby11. Now open the extracted folder and now open flyby11. Click on more info and click run anyway. So you can see flyby 11 Windows 11 compatibility check. CPU pop out, it is supported, and SSC 4.2, it is also supported. So upgrade possibility is very high. Here you can see if both pop count and SSC 4.2 are supported, your upgrade chances are very high. Otherwise, you may face issues while upgrading. So guys, this is the method to know if your PC can run Windows 11 or not. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.